Hey guys, Chasey for the Bay here, and I have a brand to share with you that I've been super excited about all summer long. It's called Uncommon Sense, and they focus on lingerie, swimwear, and loungewear. So I got 4 pieces from them, 3 bathing suits and a jumpsuit, all of which I've been super excited about wearing all summer long. And the brand itself is actually an awesome one to get behind. It's all about stylish, practical clothes for the everyday woman that wants to look good and feel good in the clothes she's wearing, whether it's just lounging around at night or during the day, or going to the gym or off to work, whatever. They have a variety of different options, each of which is high quality and super cute. So I'm excited to share with you the pieces I got and then hear your thoughts afterwards. I absolutely love this jumpsuit. It's super soft, super comfortable. It has a really high quality fabric. It almost feels like a super luxurious t-shirt. I really love how the jumpsuit kind of hangs on your body. It's really flattering, and it's perfect for all sorts of hot, sunny weather. I've been wearing it all summer, and it's been great in 90 and above plus heat, and even like 70s and 60s. It has these nice kind of slits right here, so you get a nice breeze coming through. And it also has this drawstring, so you can make it as tight or as loose as you want it. But yeah, it's super comfortable. Like I've said, I've honestly worn it to brunch, worn it to the grocery store, doing errands, just walking around, lounging around, and to dinner. So it's a really great transition piece, and it has not failed to get compliments, and I love it. So I definitely recommend this. So before I was introduced to this brand, I didn't really like one-piece swimsuits too much, but since I've tried out a few of Uncommon Senses, I've decided that I am team one-piece swimsuit. This one I'm wearing right here has removable padding, and also has this really nice gold ring detail on the sides, and the straps here are adjustable, making it a perfect fit. And yeah, it's a simple black bathing suit, but it also has some like sexy details here. And I love it. Like I said, the bathing suits that I've gotten from this brand are super high quality and fit really nicely. They haven't gotten loose over the summer, which is great. You know, you never want those bathing suits that get kind of like stretched out over like one use. And yeah, highly recommend this one, and I'll show you 2 more. This is the second bathing suit. It is a navy suit with a deep V plunge right here. It has gold detailing and also stitch up lace detailing here in the front, which is super cute, sexy, and it's super comfortable. Like I said, the bathing suits are super high quality, are not riding up, which is a great thing. And the backs are also really cute. They kind of plunge deep, which is nice. And yeah, love this suit as well. So this is the last of the 3 bathing suits, and it's my favorite. I really love this vibrant red tomato color, and my favorite part of the swimsuit, obviously, is the ruffle neckline. I feel like with a lot of strapless things, whether it's a swimsuit or a top, I'm always worried about, well, flashing people, or of it, you know, being at risk of coming down, but it's actually, like I said, great quality. I can move around and not worried about it slipping off or anything, which is great. I prefer to wear it like this, but you know, you can also wear it with these shoulders up if you want. But yeah, I prefer it on the shoulders like this. And yeah, it's a simple bathing suit with great details, and it's super cute with a pair of jean shorts, which is how I like to wear it. And yeah, again, great quality suit, and it's super cute and comfortable. So this is the 3rd one. And there is your inside look at Uncommon Sense. I'd love to hear what you think about these products in the comments below, and be sure to follow me on Instagram at Chasey from the Bay, and of course subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like this video, and I hope to see you around next time.